Shop drawings are detailed drawings created during the construction phase of a project. They illustrate exactly how building components will be fabricated and installed. Contractors and subcontractors prepare these drawings. Shop drawings translate the architect's vision into buildable instructions. They cover everything from steel connections to window installations. Imagine you're building a house. The architect provides a blueprint. This blueprint shows the house's overall design, but it doesn't detail how to build specific parts, like the staircase. This is where shop drawings come in. A staircase subcontractor would create shop drawings. These drawings show the exact measurements, materials, and installation details for the staircase. Shop drawings are more than just technical instructions. They serve as a communication tool. They ensure everyone involved is on the same page. Shop drawings prevent costly mistakes. They keep the project on schedule. Why are shop drawings so crucial in construction? Firstly, they ensure accuracy. Shop drawings translate general designs into precise specifications. This leaves no room for guesswork. This precision is vital for prefabricated components. These components need to fit perfectly on site. Secondly, shop drawings facilitate communication and coordination. Large construction projects involve numerous stakeholders. This includes architects, engineers, contractors, and subcontractors. Shop drawings act as a common language. They ensure everyone understands the project's finer details. This shared understanding minimizes misunderstandings. It also reduces the likelihood of errors. Thirdly, shop drawings help manage risk. By detailing the construction process, shop drawings help identify potential issues early on. Early identification allows for timely solutions. This proactive approach prevents costly delays and rework. It ensures the project stays on track and within budget. Finally, shop drawings provide valuable documentation. They serve as a record of the as-built condition of the project. This is essential for future maintenance, renovations, or expansions. This detailed documentation can be crucial for resolving disputes or making insurance claims. In essence, shop drawings are an investment in the long-term success of the project. Effective document control is crucial for shop drawings. It ensures the right information reaches the right people at the right time. Let's break down the process into key stages. Receipt of submittals. Subcontractors submit shop drawings to the general contractor. The general contractor date stamps and logs them. This system could be electronic or paper-based. Review and evaluation. The general contractor checks for completeness and adherence to specifications. They check for discrepancies with the architectural drawings, revision and resubmittal. If issues are found, the drawings are revised and resubmitted. Approval and documentation. Once approved, the drawings are documented and communicated. The approved shop drawings guide fabrication and installation, tracking and distribution. Keeping records of revisions ensures everyone has the latest information. The approved drawings must reach the relevant tradespeople on site. Shop drawings are more than just technical drawings. They are essential tools for successful construction projects. They bridge the gap between design intent and practical execution. By providing detailed information, facilitating communication, and managing risk, shop drawings contribute to projects that are completed on time, within budget, and to the highest standards. A robust document control process is paramount for maximizing the benefits of shop drawings. By implementing a clear system for receipt, review, approval, and distribution, project teams can ensure that everyone is working from the same information, minimizing errors and promoting a collaborative and efficient construction process.